Hey guys, Carl here at Panama City Beach, MarineMax. I'm gonna show you the brand new 2024 Sea Ray 230 SPX. Let's jump aboard and see what we got. All right guys, starting with your horsepower back here. You are equipped with the Mercury 200 V6. They got the painted white motor, looks great on this boat here. You got the sea deck on your swim platform and coming into the cabin area. Large sun pad, great to enjoy the sun there. If you wanted to get out, of course you got the hard top bimini right here as well. Wraparound seating. Under each seat you'll have storage, and Sea Ray does include an igloo cooler here, so if you wanted to take drinks, snacks, what have you to the island once you got there, or wherever you may be, you have that luxury there as well. Adjustable seating here for your co-pilot. It will lay down and make another lounge, or give you reverse seating facing backwards as well. You got the captain's chair for the captain, of course, and into the helm, Simrad electronics. That's going to give you your charts, your graphs, full navigation, depth finder, everything that you're going to need to navigate water safely and confident in that. Fusion radio. You got your active trim as well, so it's really decked out. Got some nice features there. Really good one here. It does have and equipped with a usable head, great for the little ones, or for the ladies as well. They tend to like that. And as you see throughout the entire boat, you got the vinyl flooring that covers throughout. Up front in the boat, you have the wraparound bow seating, filler cushions to fill that to make it a complete lounge. Really great spot to enjoy the sun as well. All right guys, so this is a 2024 brand new boat to us here from Sea Ray, and I'd look forward to showing it to you and hopefully get you out on the water to enjoy everything that the area offers you when it comes to being on the water. Restaurants, island, sunset cruises, you got the best of all worlds right here. So my name's Carl, my cell phone number 334-695-6035. I look forward to showing it to you.